Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of height and distance trigonometry, episode 7.10. We are with sum number 16. From a window A 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation to the top C of a tower is x degree, where tan x is equal to 5 upon 2, and the angle of depression of the foot D of the tower is y degree, where tan y is equal to 1 upon 4. Calculate the height of the tower in meters. So first of all, we'll draw the diagram. A is the window from where the angle of elevation to C is tan x and angle of depression is tan y. So here we'll put x and here we'll put y. AB is the height from where the window is located from the ground is 10 meters. If we draw a parallel to DB, that is the foot of the tower, and the window from the ground, if we draw the parallel line AN to DB, it becomes M. M is the distance from where the window and the tower distance is there. So this is 10 meters, so this part is also 10 meter. Total height of the tower is CD. CD is 10 meter plus N. So we write tan x is equal to 5 upon 2, tan y is equal to 1 upon 4, and CD is equal to 10 plus N. So we get two triangles, CNA and ABD. So first of all we'll take ANC or CNA. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, tan x is equal to N upon M, 5 upon 2 is equal to N upon M. Therefore N is equal to 5 multiplied by M upon 2. This is equation number 1. In another triangle ABD, we get tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, tan theta, that is tan y, is equal to AB upon DB. So 1 upon 4, it's already mentioned here, tan y, 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is equal to 10 upon M. M goes this side, 4 goes this side, so it becomes 40. So M is 40. Now substituting the value of M in this one. So we get N multiplied 5, N equal to 5 multiplied 40 upon 2. That gives you 100 meters. Now we have to find out the height of the tower. So 10 plus 100. So we get CD is equal to 10 plus 100. So 10 plus 100 is 110 meters. So height of the tower is 110 meter. I hope you understood this sum. It's pretty easy. Let's work it out. Sum number 17. So sum number 17. An aeroplane at an altitude of 900 meters finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression observed from the plane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between two ships. So two ships are being observed from the aeroplane, which is flying at an altitude of 900 meters, and these two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction towards it with an angle of depression, that is 30 degree and 60 degree. So the ship which is far is 30 degree and the ship which is near is 60 degree, and we have to find out the distance between two ships. So let us first of all work it out, the diagram. So the diagram looks like this. A is a ship, B is a ship, and CD is the height, altitude at which the aeroplane is flying. So D is an aeroplane, CD is the height at which the aeroplane flies. It is 900 meters. So let me write down 900 meters. So 900 meters. So 900 meters is the altitude at which the aeroplane is flying. CB, the distance between them is y, and A and B is x. We have to find out the distance between two ships, x. So let us take that ratio tan theta and then we'll work it out. So here we get two triangles, triangle DCB and DCA. So first of all we'll work it out with triangle DCB. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 60 is equal to DC upon CB. That gives us under root 3 is equal to 900 upon y. So therefore y is equal to 900 upon root 3. So now we are simplifying. We know that 300 multiplied by 3 is 900, and 3 means root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3 cancel. So we got y is equal to 300 under root 3. So we got the value of y. So that is our equation 1. So here in triangle DCA, tan theta in DCA. So in DCA, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Tan 30 is equal to DC upon CA. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 900 upon y plus x. Y plus x is equal to 900 multiplied by root 3. So x is equal to y goes this side. So 900 root 3 minus y. Substituting the value of y in equation 2, we get x is equal to 900 root 3 minus 300 root 3. So we get 600 root 3. 600 multiplied by 1.732, or you can say 1.73. So 6 multiplied by 173, we get 1038 meters. In answer you will be having 1039 or something, but still we are taking only 1.73, that's why we are getting 1038 meters. It is still correct. So this is how we do the 17th sum. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks very much.